Malati Subha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the purpose of board drilling?
Um, for drilling. For hello.
Yes, Malati Subha, you can answer.
Board drilling is for drilling holes in the board um, to connect the components onto the board.
Okay, what is the name for that hole which we are drilled on the board?
Mm, jigs.
Jigs. Whether jigs is the name for that hole? Malati Subha?
Ma'am.
Jigs are the name for the
No,
hole.
ma'am.
Okay. Then what do you mean by VIA? BIA, VIA?
Baya is the name for that board drilling.
Board drilling? Equipment?
Not the holes are called as bias.
Then what do you mean by jigs? You told me jigs first.
Jigs. Sizes of the drills are called as jigs.
Size of the drills. So what do you mean by drill then?
Drill making holes in the board.
Okay. Can you say some example of drill? What type of material the drill can be?
Drill can be tungsten carbide or diamond drills.
Okay. Okay, Malati Subham, your Viva is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next one. 1811 109 1811 109 Subhash Gandhi.
Hello.
Subhash
Yes,
Gandhi,
ma'am.
are you okay. So what do you mean by double-sided PCB?
Double-sided PCB means in that top layer and bottom layer also filled with components.
Filled with component. Can you say the composition of the double-sided PCB? What are the layers will be there in double-sided PCB?
Uh,
Or at least say what is the top layer and the bottom layer of the double-sided PCB?
in top layer and bottom layer, solder mask and some of the copper layer are available in that. Some larger substrate will be available.
Where in the top layer or in the bottom layer?
Uh, in top layer will be somewhat um, substrate will be there like
Top
aluminum.
layer will be having a substrate.
Substrate will be there
Okay.
like aluminum and some of the materials.
Top layer will be substrate. Are you sure? Okay,
No, no.
continue.
Copper layer will also be there, and some of the substrates will also be present in that.
Okay, in the bottom layer?
Mm, in bottom layer also, sir,
Okay. Okay, can you say the difference between single-sided PCB and double-sided PCB?
In single-sided PCB, the size of the component will be somewhat reduced, and it can be not as easily fast and reliable as double-sided PCB, but double-sided PCB can be used in all the way of methods, so it can be it can be a more advantage than single-sided PCB.
Okay, sorry, can you repeat in double-sided PCB? I can't hear it clearly. What you said for double-sided PCB?
In double-sided PCB, it can be very reliable and fast, and so it can be very useful in other devices, in all the boards.
Okay, can you say the difference? Why they kept the name single-sided and double-sided? In that point of view, can you say the difference? The simple difference only. I'm asking. Why it is named as single-sided and double-sided?
In single-sided, components are placed in the top position. In
Okay.
double-sided, it will be placed in the bottom, top and bottom.
In double-sided, only on the top, bottom.
Top layer and bottom layer, the components are present.
Okay. Subhash Gandhi, your Viva is over. Okay, next one. Eighteen 076. 076. That is
Hello, ma'am.
Padma Preeti. Padma Preeti.
Ma'am,
Okay. What is the purpose of solder paste? Padma Preeti. What is the purpose of solder paste? Can you hear me, Padma Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the purpose of solder paste? Whether you know or not, I will ask another question. If you don't know means. Padma Preeti. Padma
Ma'am,
Preeti,
next
you're in
one.
line, right? Okay, say. What do you mean by solder paste?
Placing component முன்னாடி surface பண்ணுவாங்க. Apply to the surface.
Okay. Why it should be placed before placing the components on the board? What is the property of that solder paste? Can you say what type of property that solder paste can have? Why we are preferring that? Why we are preferring solder paste rather than some other surface finish or tin coating like that and all? Why you are preferring solder paste? Can you say the main reason why you're preferring solder paste between the board and the component? Padma Preeti,
Yes, ma'am.
can you say? Whether you know the answer or shall I move to another question?
It is also possible in solder through hole pin.
It is possible to solder?
Through hole pin.
Hole pin.
In the paste components by பண்ணிக்கலாம் by solder paste மூலமா in holes-லயும் பண்ணிக்கலாம் in over and over the place.
Okay. And what do you mean by silk screen? What is the purpose of silk screen? Padma Preeti?
Number of symbols வந்து இருக்கும் PCB informationsல.
Number and symbol or number of symbol?
Number of symbols,
Number of symbol.
numbers, letters இதெல்லாமே ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஆட் பண்ணும் to PCB
Using?
information. ஒரு
Okay.
information pass பண்ணதுக்கு ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
Whether silk screen is mandatory? That is, without the silk screen, we can't create any board like that. Whether it is?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And what do you mean by pad? Either you can say surface mount pad. What do you mean by surface mount pad? Padma Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by pad?
To place ICs.
Okay. We'll be using only for placing IC? Then what are the purpose we'll be using pad? Do you know the answer, Padma Preeti?
Soldering, to allow soldering the
To allow soldering the Preeti, your voice is muted. Padma Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can say, in between your voice has been muted. Can say now.
To place the component also.
Okay, your call has been muting again and again. Please unmute the call and answer.
Ma'am, to place components in double-sided PCB also.
Only in double-sided PCB? We won't use it in single-sided PCB? Whether pad is not used in single-sided PCB? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear you. Speak somewhat louder. Okay. Okay, with this we will end your Viva session. Okay. Okay, Padma Preeti. Next one. 18 11 11 0. It's 18 111 10. 18 111 10. M Kartika. Other M Kartika is online.
மேம்
Kartika.
மேம் கார்த்திகாவுக்கு நெட்வொர்க் கிடைக்கலையா?
Okay. Then I will call another person. 18 11 058. 18 11 058. 58. Jayasudha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you mean by, what is the purpose of photo plotter? Jayasudha, what is the purpose of photo plotter?
And it is used to create a photoplast, and it is used in PCB fabrication process.
Okay, photo plotter is used to create what?
Photo folds, and it is used in PCB fabrication process.
Okay, I can't hear that word. It is used to create photo? Photo plots. Okay, then what do you mean by photo plot? How this photo plot will be created by applying what layer? Can you say that? Jay Sudha,
Ma'am.
can you say what type of coating or what type of layer photo plotter applies on the board while fabrication? So during photo plotting, what type of coating will be applied on the board? You said
Using
photo
light,
plot.
using light coating, ma'am.
Okay, using light, what will be coated on the board? What process is actually happening in a photo plotter? Can you say the name of the process comparing to the manufacturing process? Okay. Then what are the types of photo plotter? Jay Sudha,
Yes, ma'am.
what are the types of photo plotter? Jay Sudha, are you online?
Vector resistor, ma'am.
What are the type? Vector and
Resistor.
raster. Okay, vector photo plotter and raster photo plotter. That is not resistor. Okay, compared to vector photo plotter and raster photo plotter, which is efficient, which will be preferring?
Vector photographter, ma'am.
Vector photo plotter is efficient. Okay, can you justify why it is efficient? Okay, the advantages of vector photo plotter.
దాని గురించి ఎట్లా వచ్చి జస్టిఫికేషన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ అండ్ క్వశ్చన్
Jay Sudha,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, then can you say the features of vector photo plotter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say the features of vector photo plotter.
Vector photographer.
ఫీచర్స్ మనం మీద ఎంత ఫీచర్ వేసాం ఫీచర్స్
Jay Sudha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you say the features? Features of vector photo plotter.
Moving the aperture is draw.
Okay,
Vector photographer return the light, ma'am.
okay. I'm asking a question about a vector photo plotter. Here we'll be using Gerber file. Other than Gerber file, whether any other files are used here in vector photo plotter? Jay Sudha,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know what do you mean by Gerber file? I hope you know. Jay Sudha,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by Gerber file? Or at least you say other than Gerber file, whether any other files are included in vector photo plotter? Say yes or no, ma'am.
Standard file, ma'am.
Standard file. Okay, you're saying standard file is, what is a standard file?
Gerber shoe.
Gerber file is standard file, okay. I'm asking, other than Gerber file, Whether we'll be using any other file in vector float of water?
Um,
Okay, Jayasudha, I will ask
Expanded Gerber file, ma'am.
extended
Data file Excel. One. அது மட்டும்
Okay.
separate
Separate?
aperture file, ma'am.
Separate aperture file is included or not?
Included, ma'am.
In which photo plotter? Vector photo plotter or Gerber photo plotter?
Vector photo plotter, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jayasudha, your Viva is over. Okay, next one.
Supper.
1811-025. 1811-025.
மேம் சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Prasanna. Okay, Prasanna. Can you say what are the components of PCB? What are the essential components of PCB? Prasanna,
எஸ் மேம்.
can you say the essential components of PCB?
மேம் essential components which includes resistor, capacitors and
Okay,
IC like what are ma'am?
Okay, I'm not asking like that. In the starting classes, we have seen essential components means there is two things. Essential component. What are they? I'm asking that.
Ma'am, base component and conductor component.
I asked that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say the special consideration in placement of parts? What are the special consideration in placement of parts? Prasanna?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in special consideration, user decides to place where the user only decides where to place the components, ma'am.
Okay, ma, some special consideration for placing components like decoupling capacitor. Can you say that?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay. Can you say what type of testing available in PCB manufacturing process?
Bare board test and loaded board test, ma'am.
Okay, can you differentiate the both?
Ma'am, in bare board test, the manufactured board is checked with any open circuits or short circuits or network connectivity like that, ma'am. In loaded
Okay.
board test, the components are being checked with along with the board, ma'am.
Okay. Which one is normally preferred?
Bare board test, ma'am.
Bare board test. Why? Is that what you mean by bare board and what you mean by loaded board test? Why we are preferring a
ma'am.
bare board test?
Don't
Why
know,
we
ma'am.
don't know. You said the board will be without placing the components, the board will be tested.
Board will be tested, yes, ma'am.
So after placing the component, if you find any error means that will be a big headache to the designer. So only
Okay.
we are preferring bare board test. Okay. Okay. Then can you say some example etchant?
Ma'am, example etchants are chromic acid, ammonia persulfate, cupric chloride.
Okay, okay. Okay, Prasanna, your Viva is over.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. 1811-047. 1811-047.
Yes,
Anamika.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nice, Anamika. Okay, what do you mean by panning and zooming?
Ma'am, I couldn't
Anna,
hear you, ma'am.
what do you mean by panning and zooming? Anamika?
Yes, yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is used in design software to place the component and for routing purpose, ma'am.
Okay. So, what do you mean by panning? Why we need to pan? And why we need to zoom for placing component you told? Okay, what is
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
panning? Panning. Panning means what you'll be doing.
Ma'am, we'll be focusing to get rid of blur effects, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. And what do you mean by aperture?
Uh,
In photo plotter, we'll be using
yes, ma'am.
aperture.
Yes,
What do you
ma'am.
mean by aperture?
Ma'am, that is like a small pathway to control the passing of light, like similar to a camera we use.
Okay. What do you mean by reference designator?
Ma'am, like if you are using too many similar components, like two or more resistor, we will be naming the different resistor like R1, R2. That is to differentiate the similar components, ma'am, that have same quality but may vary in their electrical capacity.
Okay, very good, Anamika. Okay. Your Viva is over, Anamika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Eighteen 041. 1811.
இருக்கேன்
Ashwin.
மேம்.
Ashwin.
கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா கேளுங்க மேம்.
Okay. Okay, what do you mean by pre-peg? Ashwin,
மேம்
what do you mean by pre-peg? P-R-E-P-G. Pre-peg.
மேம் தெரியல மேம்.
Yeah. Do you know in which board you'll be using pre-peg? At least that you know? Don't know. Okay, I will ask another question.
டபுள் சைடட் நினைக்கிறேன். மல்டி
Double
சைடட்.
sided. Multi-sided, or what is the correct name?
மல்டி சைடட்.
Multi-layer. Okay.
மல்டி
This multi-layer. Side means a plane has only two sides. Okay. So we shouldn't say side. What do you mean by solder mask? Ashwin?
இருக்கேன் மேம்.
What do you mean by solder mask? What is the purpose of solder mask?
It is used to connect the wired board. See, components of the board.
Components of the board?
See,
That is solder paste. Solder mask. Why we are using solder mask? To prevent the copper from?
Heating.
From oxidization. Okay.
Masking.
Then what do you mean by schematic diagram? Ashwin,
இருங்க ma'am, ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
schematic diagram. So in software and all, you have drawn schematic diagram, no? So what is the schematic diagram? Ashwin?
The basic circuit diagram required to print in board, ma'am.
Okay. Then what do you mean by netlist? From schematic diagram only we'll be obtaining netlist. So how will the netlist look like? Netlist. Do you know, Ashwin?
இந்த வரேன். நெட்லிஸ்ட்னா ZUI06ன்னு லெட்டர்ஸா ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்.
Only that, those letters?
அவ்வளோதான் ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. ASCII கோடு அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும்.
Okay, okay. It's ASCII text document, okay?
சரி ஞாபகம் இல்லை.
Okay. Can you say which topic you're familiar with? To ask the last question in that. Which topic you're familiar?
ஏதாவது கேட்டேன். இதனாலும்
you know how to do the software designing, right? Ashwin?
Ma'am, கேட்கல.
In software designing, you know how to do it. Software designing. Okay. How will be generating the PCB layout? For PCB layout, what for creating a new PCB layout, what option you will be choosing? There are so many options. New. After new, what option will be choosing for creating schematic diagram? You say first of all. For creating schematic diagram, new. Do you remember that option?
வேற மாதிரி வந்துச்சு. நீங்க லேப்டாப்ல வர மாதிரி கேக்கீங்க. எனக்கு தெரியல மேம். நான் போன்ல தான் பண்ணேன்.
Okay, what do you mean by parts? Parts. PART. Part in PCB. Part number, part name and all you might have heard. What do you mean by that part? Don't know? Okay, say what you know then. I will ask in that. What do you remember right now? Ashwin? Okay, Ashwin. Then we will wind up this. Okay?
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, Ashwin. Okay, next one. 1811-093. 93. Muthumallar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Muthumallar, can you say the special consideration what you have considered in placement of parts?
The special consideration is decoupled capacitor, ma'am.
Okay. In decoupling capacitor, what is the special? Where you have to place the decoupling capacitor? Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am. If you place, it is placed close to power pin, ma'am. Otherwise, it will act as inductor, ma'am.
Okay, good. There are two types of photoresist. Can you say what are the two types of photoresist, Muthumallar?
Positive photoresist and negative photoresist, ma'am.
Okay, can you say the difference between them? Positive photoresist and negative photoresist?
Yes, ma'am. Mm. It is positive photoresist is soluble in developer, ma'am.
Okay.
And negative photoresist is insoluble in developer.
Okay.
Mm.
Then the last one. What do you mean by patch stack?
Patch. What,
Patch
ma'am?
stack. Patch stack. PADSTACK. Patch stack.
Yes, that's the. Mm. I don't know, ma'am.
No, no. Okay. What do you mean by pre-peg?
It's a fiber. Mm, it's used in multi-threaded PCB, ma'am.
Multi-layer. Okay.
Multi-layer PCB. It's a fiberglass
Okay.
and partially hardened with resin.
Okay. So why we are using it in multi-layer PCB, not in another other type of PCB boards?
To prevent the misalignment of layer, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Mm.
Okay, Muttamara, your YY is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. 1811 068. 68. Bhavadarini. Whether Bhavadarini is available?
மேம் நெட்வொர்க் இல்லையா?
இல்லையா? எல்லாரும் அப்படியே
இல்லையா?
சொல்றீங்களா?
இல்ல மேம்.
கார்த்திகா எனக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருந்தா ஓகே. பவதாரணி என்ன இப்படியே நிறைய எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் கேக்குறா.
மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கால் ஜாயின் பண்ணாலாம், அப்புறம் கட் ஆயிருச்சாம்.
திருப்பி ஜாயின் பண்ண சொல்லலாமே.
அப்புறம் ஜாயின் ஆக மாட்டேக்கா, நெட்வொர்க் ஸ்லோவா.
ஓகே ஓகே. Then 83 1811 083. ராஜேஷ் இல்லையா? ராஜேஷ் கண்ணன். Okay, then I will go the one in the call itself. Sharon? ஷாரோன் லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா? எஸ் மேடம். ஓகே. Sharon, what do you mean by flash and draw in photo plotter? Flash and draw. Sharon?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? What do you mean by flash and draw in photo plotter?
Flashனா மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. We cannot move the aperture wheel.
Aperture wheel. Okay. Then draw means?
Without moving is called flash. Moving aperture wheel is called draw.
Okay. Flash and wheel is used in both types of photo plotter, vector and raster photo plotter. In which one this flash and draw can be interchangeable, whether in vector photo plotter or in a raster photo plotter?
In raster photo
In
plotter.
raster?
No, ma'am. In vector photo plotter, I think.
First one you told that raster is the correct answer, okay? Be confident in what you're saying, okay? Okay, Sharon.
Vector only we can.
In the raster photo plotter only we can interchange that flash and draw, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you mean by flexible boards? Sharon,
Yes, ma'am. Flexible
what is
board.
flexible board?
The board can be bended.
Okay. It is also a type of
Type.
it is also a type of
Single-sided PCB board.
Okay, this flexible board will be a PCB, of a single-sided PCB. This is also a type of PCB. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by Gerber file?
Gerber file, standard file for PCB design, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sharon, your Viva, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. The next one, we'll go with the person who's available in the call itself. Benisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Benisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say the two types of Gerber file?
Okay, ma'am.
Benisha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you say the two types of Gerber file?
Standard.
Yes, standard.
Standard Gerber file, extended Gerber file.
Okay. Can you say the difference between them? Or can you define the both based upon the okay, say.
Extended Gerber file is in a graphic format.
Okay.
But the standard Gerber file is not like that. It's a
Okay. In which file all the aperture details will be available, either in standard Gerber file or in extended Gerber file?
in extended Gerber file.
Okay. Can you say what is the purpose of solder mask?
To prevent oxidation.
Okay. What are the techniques which are used for applying solder mask? Sorry, what are the techniques which are used for applying surface finish?
Automatic placement.
For applying surface finish. Can you say what is the purpose of surface finish? Surface finish.
What's the purpose of surface finish?
Surface finish. Benisha?
To prevent the corrosion only, ma'am.
Prevent the corrosion and also?
Oxidation.
It also gives good solderability, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And what do you mean by footprint? Benisha?
Footprint means
Benisha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. It's
What
an
do you mean by
arrangement of
footprint?
it's an arrangement of pads.
Okay. Can you say what do you mean by part? P-A-R-T, part.
It's define parts contain partsல வந்து schematic diagramல வந்து இருக்கிற ரெசிஸ்டர் அதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்பர் போட்டு அரேஞ்ச் பண்றது மேம்.
Okay. Okay, Venisha, your Viva is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then Priyadashini. Priyadashini?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Priyadashini, what do you mean by patch stack?
Patch stack, it is the shape of the pin, ma'am.
Okay. Then what do you mean by footprint?
It is a physical description of a component which has patch stack, obstacles, and texts.
Okay, what is obstacle?
It is the outline of the PCB board.
Okay. Can you say the different process which are involved in applying surface finish?
I can't hear, ma'am.
What are the process used for applying surface finish?
The various processes are hot air solder level, immersion precious metal plating, organic surface prevent coating, conformal coating.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Priyadashini, that's all
okay.
Viva for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Preeti Subramaniam. Preeti Subramaniam. Preeti Subramaniam, are you in the call? Unmute your volume.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Preeti.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I will ask you. What do you mean by panel? What are the two types of panel? Can you say, Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
Preeti Subramaniam,
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
can you say what do you mean by panel? What are the types of panel? Okay, those who have answered the Viva can leave the call. Thank you for your patience. Those who have attended the Viva can leave the call. And ask your
Means
friends who are not in
manufacturing,
the
ma'am.
call to be online. Okay, panel. Say Preeti, can you say
Manufacturing.
what are the manufacturing panel and then?
Manufacturing, only one manufacturing panel and production panel, ma'am. Two types of panels are used.
Okay.
Production panel for mass production and manufacturing panel
Okay.
for single PCB production.
Okay. Do you remember the preferred panel size?
Panel size 350 into 508 mm, ma'am.
Okay, good. Then what is the base material which is used commonly for single-sided PCB?
Yes, ma'am. What? Can't understand.
What is the commonly used base material for single-sided PCB?
Copper, ma'am. Copper. Base
Copper.
material is copper.
I'm asking
Yes,
the
ma'am.
base material. That is a FR3 or FR4, like that I'm
Epoxy
asking.
glass, epoxy glass FR4.
Okay. Can you explain the image transfer process in PCB manufacturing? Image transfer, Preeti?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain the image
Image.
transfer process? That's photolithography. What will happen in this image transfer process in PCB manufacturing?
Merging of image film in the PCB board, ma'am.
Okay.
So, image transfer.
artwork layout is done in PCB board and merging of image film and PCB board.
Okay.
This film can be photographed.
Okay, Preeti. That's all your Viva for you. Okay. Okay, Preeti, your Viva is over. Next
Okay,
one.
ma'am.
Soumya. Soumya.
Oh, I see.
Hi, Soumya. Yes, can you say what do you mean by laminator?
Don't use the toner transfer method. Print the artwork using the laser printer, ma'am.
Can you say it again? I can't hear you clearly.
Print the artwork using the laser printer, ma'am.
Okay.
All layers together, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Can you say what type of testing will be done in electrical testing? That is in fabrication of a PCB. We saw testing called electrical testing. Okay, in that what type of testing and all will be done?
Testing.
In fact, in
Signal
electrical testing.
signal troubleshooting.
Then
Signal troubleshooting. தெரியல மேம்.
தெரியலையா? Can you say the properties of polygon? I hope you know polygon. Okay,
Yeah.
what is the purpose of polygon?
Equal length.
First of all, say what do you mean by polygon?
நான் சொல்றேன் மேம். Many represents the three sides of polygon, ma'am. அதுதானே இல்லையா மேம்?
No. Polygon is a line which is non-electrical polyline. Okay, polyline.
Polygon pores are used to
Okay,
create
sorry,
the solid.
polyline. Polyline. It is a non-electrical line. Property means what are the properties we are having for polyline?
Polyline. Yeah. To different than other types of objects, you create the polyline exists as a single object.
Okay, what are the properties of polyline?
Properties that makes it different than other types of object to create a polyline exists as a single object.
Okay. Can you say what details the aperture file contains in photo plotter?
Ma'am, properties of polyline, the line width of the line available with the smallest line style.
Yes, that only I'm asking. Okay, that only I asked. Okay.
Okay.
Can you say what do you mean by aperture file? This aperture file is used in photo plotter. What do you mean by aperture file? What type of information that aperture file holds?
Aperture file. Okay, ma'am. Gerber file contain. Hello.
Say Soumya.
Gerber file contains the Gerber file. அதுதானே மேம்?
Yes, say.
vector file, uh, shape and design of the aperture, ma'am.
Shape and design of the aperture will be available in what? In Gerber file or aperture file?
Aperture file, ma'am.
Okay, Soumya, your Viva is that's all. Your Viva is over.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next one. Those who have attended the Viva can leave the call. Thank you for your patience. Then Ganga Devi. Ganga Devi, unmute your volume. Ganga Devi, release your mute button.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ganga Devi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, how routing is happening in PCB?
Ma'am, சரியா
Devi?
கேக்கல. Ma'am?
How routing is happening in PCB designing? Routing between components. First of all, say what do you mean by routing?
It's by automatic.
Okay, can also be done by manual also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Okay, in routing, what are the consideration we'll be having?
Ma'am, it means consideration.
Consideration.
Ma'am,
Consideration.
அதோட part general placement consideration, that's like ma'am.
Yes. How routing will be done in PCB designing? How we will be routing?
In routing short routes.
Okay, short routes is the west route. Then
சரியா ஞாபகம் இல்ல மேம்.
crosstalk.
Ma'am?
I hope you have heard the word crosstalk. Crosstalk should be avoided in routing. So what do you mean by crosstalk?
It's a abnormal noise.
It's noise. Okay, when this crosstalk occurs? In PCB, when does this crosstalk occurs? Devi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, energy from one roots with another energy from another roots. This time the crosstalk will be produced, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what are the advantages of PCB? The advantages of PCB?
Size of component assembly is reduced, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Then what are the advantages?
Circuit characteristics can be maintained, ma'am. Ensure high level of resistibility. Location of parts is fixed.
Okay.
Inspection time is reduced.
Okay. What do you mean by trace in PCB? Trace. So what is the purpose of trace in PCB?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, that's all.
Hello?
It's over, Ganga Devi. Okay, do you know trace means you can
Okay,
answer?
ma'am.
Do you know what do you mean by trace?
No, ma'am. மறந்துட்டேன் ma'am.
Okay, Ganga Devi. Okay, that's all your Viva.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi, unmute your volume and then answer. Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi, you're on call. Please unmute your volume and then speak. Then only we can hear your voice. Vijay Lakshmi. Okay.
மேம் அவளுக்கு அன்மியூட் பண்ண தெரியல மேம். இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேம் வந்துருவோம்.
விஜயலட்சுமி, அந்த மைக் மாதிரி சிம்பிள் இருக்குல்லம்மா, அதை நீங்க பிரஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா அன்மியூட் ஆகும். சரியா? ஓகே, விஜயலட்சுமி அன்மியூட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொல்லுங்க. ஆஃப்டர் தட் விஜயலட்சுமி. விஜயலட்சுமி.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what are the properties of raster photo plotter? Vijayalakshmi.
Wait, ma'am.
Raster photo plotter, what are the advantages or what are the properties of raster photo plotter?
Raster photo plotter replacing vector photo plotter, ma'am. And
Okay.
it has aperture width. It used to instead of aperture list.
Okay.
And the aperture uses f-stop scale.
Okay.
There is no way the aperture can be misinterpreted.
Okay. Okay, Vijayalakshmi. Can you say the difference between surface mount technology and through-hole technology? There are two technology available for designing PCB board. One is surface mount technology, another one is through-hole technology. Can you differentiate the two?
Surface mount technology very useful rather than through-hole technology, ma'am.
Okay. In surface mount technology, how are you placing the component in PCB board?
I can't understand, ma'am. Repeat, ma'am.
Surface mount technology. How the components are placed in the PCB?
Ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
Can't hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference between surface mount and through-hole technology.
First, more components can be mounted in the board, ma'am. Surface mount.
Okay.
And both sides of both can be utilized, ma'am.
Okay. In through-hole?
Through-hole, I can't remember, ma'am.
No, that's it now. Components can be placed.
Ma'am, விட்டு கேக்குது, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, வாய்ஸ் விட்டு கேக்குது, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Yes, me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
கேக்குதாமா? ஹோல்ஸ் இருக்கா? ஹோல்ஸ் போர்ட்ல டெக்னாலஜில ஹோல்ஸ் வந்து கிரியேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. சர்ஃபேஸ் த்ரூ ஹோல்.
Hello. Ma'am.
ஹோல்.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. ஒண்ணுமே கேட்கல, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
கேக்குதாமா?
ஓகே மேம்.
எந்த டெக்னாலஜில போர்டுல ஹோல்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணுவாங்க தெரியுமா?
எஸ் மேம்.
எந்த டெக்னாலஜில யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க? சர்ஃபேஸ் மவுண்ட்ல த்ரூ ஹோல்லையா?
ஹோலா மேம்?
ஆமா.
த்ரூ ஹோல்ல மேம்.
ஓகே. that's all right.
ஓகே மேம். தேங்க் யூ மேம்.
Anuja, unmute your volume.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what are the types of bias? BIA, bias. What are the types of bias?
Bias. One minute, ma'am.
Okay.
And micro wires,
Okay.
throw hole wires, blind wires, buried wires.
Can you say about each wire?
Ma'am, I
What do
can't
you
hear
mean
you.
What do you mean by through hole wire?
In through hole wire, there are holes. It consists of holes. It penetrates from top to bottom layer of the PCB board, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in micro wire, there are two types of wire. Can you say what are the two types of wire?
Stacked wires and staggered wires, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, among the wire, which one is known as hidden wires? Anuja? Can you hear me, Anuja? Anuja?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is known as hidden wire?
Buried wire, ma'am.
Okay, why it is known as hidden wire?
It is located in the interior region of the PCB, ma'am.
Okay. So in design guidelines, we are having two types.
Yes.
So what are two types of design guidelines?
High density processing, standard processing, ma'am.
Okay, which is so what is the difference between the two?
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, compared to the cost of manufacturing, which will be which will be cost effective?
Standard processing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Can you say the manufacturing process in multi-layer board? Anuja?
Yes, ma'am.
Multi-layer board.
Multi-layer board. Ma'am, here the layers are many single-sided boards are connected by using prepreg layer, ma'am.
What?
The layers are connected by using the prepreg layer, ma'am.
Layers, okay. Okay, Anuja, your Wi-Fi is over.
Okay, ma'am.
Then any other one who's in the call? வேற யாராவது கால்ல
சின்னம்மாள்.
யாருமா?
சின்னம்மாள், மேம்.
சின்னம்மாள் பிரீத்தி எஸ்ல இருக்கியா லாகின்ல?
எஸ் மேம். ஹலோ மேம்.
பேசுறீங்கம்மா, ரெண்டு பேர் பேசுறீங்க இப்போ.
மேம்
இப்போ யார் பேசுறது?
மேம் நான் பவதாரணி பேசுறேன்.
ஓகே, இப்போ யார் அட்டன் பண்ண போறீங்க? பவதாரணி லைன் கால் கிடைக்கல சொன்னா. பவதாரணி முடிச்சுட்டு சின்னம்மாள் அட்டன் பண்றியா?
ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகேம்மா. ஓகே பவதாரணி.
மேம்
பவதாரணி கால்ல இருக்கியா? பவதாரணி மியூட் போட்டுட்டியா? பவதாரணி. ஓகே சின்னம்மாள்.
எஸ் மேம்.
சின்னம்மாள் நீங்க அட்டன் பண்ணுங்க. யார் அட்டன் பண்ண போறீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்? பவதாரணி.
மேம் அன்மியூட்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கு.
இப்பதான் வாய்ஸ் கேக்குது. ஓகே பவதாரணி.
ஓகே.
Okay, Bhavadharani, what are the components of PCB?
Ma'am.
Bhavadharani, what are the components of PCB?
Base component.
Okay.
Conductor component.
Okay. So what do you mean by base?
A thin board of insulating material.
Okay, conductor means?
It provides electrical connection.
Okay. In double-sided printed board, double-sided PCB, there are two types. Can you say the two types of double-sided PCB board? Bhavadharani?
மேம் கேக்கல, விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குது.
Double-sided PCB boardல two types இருக்கு. அந்த ரெண்டு types சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
Wiring pattern on both sides of insulating material.
அந்த டைப்ஸ் கேக்குறேன், நீ அப்படியே நோட்ல உள்ளத ரீட் பண்ற. டூ டைப்ஸ் என்னது? What is the two types of double-sided PCB?
Double-sided board with plated through hole connection.
Okay.
Double-sided board with plated by through hole connection.
ரெண்டுமே with plated through hole தான் சொல்லிருக்கேன். One is with and another one is without. Okay. Okay, can you say what do you mean by double-sided plated through hole and double-sided non-plated through hole?
Plated through
Bhavadharani?
Ma'am, plated through hole வந்து
Yes.
circuit, it has a circuit on both sides, ma'am.
Okay.
Connected by materializing the wall of hole in substrate that intersects the circuit on both sides.
So just reading. Okay, can you say?
Hello, ma'am.
Bhavadharani?
Ma'am, கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது. So why tin coating is applied to the PCB board in the stage of manufacturing? Bhavadharani? Bhavadharani? Bhavadharani, volume mute ஆயிட்டு mute எடுத்து விட்டுட்டு பேசுமா பவதாரணி. Why tin coating is applied on the PCB board? பவதாரணி இப்பதான் unmute பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Why tin coating is applied on the PCB board while manufacturing?
Don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. What do you mean by laminate? Laminate என்னது?
Laminate means plotting.
What do you mean by laminate?
Plotting, ma'am.
No, it's
Hello.
not that. Okay. What do you mean by netlist, Bhavadharani?
Ma'am?
Netlist. This is the last question. What do you mean by netlist? Bhavadharani?
Ma'am,
What do you mean by netlist?
it contains a text document
Okay.
of ASCII values, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Bhavadharani. That's all Viva for you.
Thank you.
Uh, so what- Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Chinnamal. What do you mean by annular ring? Chinnamal, can you hear me?
Mom, I can't hear you.
Can't hear me. What are you replying me?
Ma'am,
Chinnamal,
விட்டு விட்டு கேக்குது ma'am.
இப்போ நல்லா கேக்குதா?
Yes, ma'am.
Annular ringனா என்னதுமா? Annular ring.
Annular.
So design guidelinesல pad size வந்து எப்படி measure பண்ணுவாங்க? How pad size is given in design guidelines?
Ma'am, annular ring area on the pad surround the via, ma'am.
அதான். Say clearly. Annular ring means?
Area on the pad surround via surroundingல இருக்கு ma'am. Surrounds the via, ma'am.
Okay. Can you differentiate Gerber file and Aperture file?
Gerber file is a standard file. Utilize only the fabrication houses, PCB fabrication houses, and aperture file consists of design and shape of the aperture, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain the process of electroless copper plating in manufacturing, in PCB manufacturing? Electroless copper plating.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Electroless copper plating.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Can you say the types of etching available?
Types of etching: droplet etching, immersion etching, spray etching, splash etching.
Can you explain one by one?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by
Immersion
immersion?
etching. Immersion etching means the 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Immersion etching means the board வந்து dropped in the etchant, ma'am.
Okay. In droplet etching?
Droplet etching means board வந்து subjected to droplets of etchant, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain the process of artwork generation in PCB board? Artwork generation.
Artwork generation. Yes, ma'am. Artwork generation means Ma'am, can you hear me?
I say artwork generation means after that I can't hear you.
Components, component and connection in a PCB layout, ma'am.
Okay. And final question. What do you mean by solder paste?
Solder paste. The solder paste is pasted on the board before connecting the components.
Okay, Sinama. That's all your Viva.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. வேற யாராவது இன்னும் வைவா அட்டன் பண்ணாம கால்ல இருக்கீங்களா? யாரும் அப்படி இல்லல்ல? ஓகே, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பேர் அட்டன் பண்ணல. யாராவது கால்ல இருக்கீங்களா? Okay, we will inquire about those people and conduct Viva for them separately. Okay, thank you for your patience. Okay, thank you.